Hi everyone, I got a request from a colleague to help them figure out how to use Screencast-o-matic. So I tried to make it as simple as possible, and we are going to try and do this in 5 steps. So step 1, you have to go to the Screencast-o-matic website. You'll see it's screencast-o-matic.com. It will pull up a page like this. Your own I think what I'll do is I'll put this link in my description of my YouTube video, so you should be able to access that if you are just scroll down to the description and you can click the link in the YouTube description. Okay, and then step 2, you must select start recording for free. A pop-up should appear prompting you to download something. You just need to accept it. Don't worry, it's nothing weird that it's going to download. It's just the software that you require to load this. So I don't know if it will let me show you while it's busy recording. I don't know if I can record a recording in a recording, but basically you would click launch free recorder. Oh, it won't let me. So basically what would normally happen is you would click launch free recorder, and then something will come up here. Screencast-o-matic wants to work. Will you allow it? You just say yes, allow this thing, and then a little thing will appear in the corner that allows you to record. So wait, let me just okay, so this is the thing that will appear in the corner of your screen after you have allowed the Screencast-o-matic to work on your computer. Then your step 3 will be to pull up the PowerPoint or the note or the activity that you want to record. You just need to make sure that it is within the space of the Screencast-o-matic thing. So here, I just pulled up a grade 8 thing. So there it is. So you can actually see how I would then go through this with my learners, and I would explain the work, and then they can actually see the things as I explain it. Alright, so once we've done that, we now have to click the record button. So it hasn't recorded yet until you press this button here. Once you press that button, it will start recording. You can see at this point that I took the screenshot, it only was recording for 1 minute and 44 seconds. You can record up to 15 minutes on the free version. You probably have a bit more time on the paid version, but I was not willing to pay per month for this software, so I'll rather use the free version. Just a note that your laptop, if you have a fairly modern laptop, should have a built-in microphone, so you can just like talk to your laptop. I know it seems a bit weird. It's very weird the first time you do it, but you get used to it. And then if you're on a desktop computer, you should have headphones with a mic attached so that they can pick up what you are saying. Otherwise, it's not going to record any sound at all. So you just need to make sure that there is a microphone. Either attach it by yourself separately or use the one that is built into your laptop. And then lastly, step 5. When you are done recording, you must save the video. So unfortunately, I'd have to make 2 different videos to show that to you. But basically, you would click this button here, done. And then it will pop up with a thing that tells you to save the video. You just say save the video. You can save the video either as a file that is saved onto your computer, or you can save it to the Screencast-o-matic website, or you can upload it directly to YouTube. It's up to you what you want to do. If you are uploading it to YouTube, you will have to create a YouTube account, so it makes a whole extra complication. But if you want to share this with your learners, you're going to have to make a YouTube account. The nice part is you can give your YouTube account a different name than your personal email and your personal details. If you don't want to share that, YouTube does allow you to have it as a logo or slogan. So yeah, that's basically 5 minutes, 5 steps. It's super easy. um, if you have trouble uploading it to YouTube, you can just leave a comment down below and I will help you figure out how to upload things to YouTube. Alright, thank you and goodbye.